Guru Nation, how's it going? I do these videos when I can. I'm currently in a car. Don't worry, I'm in the parking lot and I'm in this line for a pharmacy, so I'm safe, guys. I'm in park. Let's put in park. I'm in park. But I got a text message, and anybody can do this. It's 949-415-6256. And they're saying, hey, Dan, I'm a new CRA. I'm taking over studies from a CRA that's no longer with the company. There's a lot of turnover right now, guys. So I think a lot of people are in this boat. This is good, though. Good opportunities. So what do I need to ask from my CTM, clinical trial manager? And what are some important things I need to look at the site level? So, quite the question here. Quite difficult to answer without knowing the individual site levels. But your CTM should be able to help you out a lot. So, one of the things I would do, if you already have access to the trial master file or you have access to the follow-up letters, I would look at the most recent follow-up letter of your sites, right? So the most recent follow-up letter from the monitor to see what the ongoing action items are and what the new action items are. For any ongoing action items, you also want to look at like serious things like protocol deviations. Are there any? And do any of them require training or some kind of action on the site side? Also SAEs. Are there any open SAEs, ongoing SAEs where the site needs to provide some kind of follow-up, maybe some medical records or a follow-up report for the SAE? Those are the main things I would look at. But from the follow-up letters, you can get a glimpse of how that site's doing from an enrollment perspective, from an informed consent perspective, because in most follow-up letters, they should have the informed consent. If you can do one better, I would go to the monitoring reports. So the last IMV report for each of your sites, because it's even more detailed than the follow-up letters, where you can see things like ICF. How are the sites doing with ICF? Protocol deviations. Are there any CAPA plans outstanding? Any SAEs? Any queries? Any really old queries in the system? Any pending ISF issues? And also, like I said, the ongoing action items. Anything that's been going on longer than 3 months, it's starting to age. It's starting to get gray hairs in the beard. So you got to make sure you resolve those. You obviously want to make sure the site is aware that you're the new monitor, so the CTM can help with that introduction if the previous CRA didn't already. Those are the things I would look at. Every site's going to have its own unique problems, challenges, opportunities. So unfortunately, there's not one answer, but it's more of a process. And that's what I would do if I were put into your situation. If I have a new site that I'm taking over tomorrow, I'm trying to look at that most recent IMV report from the previous CRA or follow-up letter and see what I can do. Good luck. Let me know how it goes. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.